It's not a very nice place you got here. Yeah.
I kind of like.
You kind of like it?
This one. It's just. Oh. Um.
Hello.
Hi. Um. Pixie Dixon.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh yeah, I ordered you. This is a fun story actually.
Yeah.
Because
A story? Can I tell a story maybe? Because there's
Awesome.
like no story to tell.
Have
I love listening
you know,
to stories.
Can
Yeah.
I start in some word?
Yes.
And this is the story where the pixie decided to plug something in and succeeded. Was that a good
Such
story?
a good story. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it done?
I don't have any other good stories.
You have good stories, man. You just have to like believe in yourself. You,
But
you have
you
excellent
are my
stories.
story.
Are you telling me right now?
Yeah. Like we skipped the voiceover, so. But
Time.
Really?
yeah, they didn't want it.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, maybe it was because I didn't have time or something. But go on.
Thank you. I guess you. I'll go on. I guess you know what will happen.
Yeah, I think Hammer enters later.
Okay.
But maybe I shouldn't spoil her.
No,
That's
no, no,
it.
no, no, no,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
no.
This
no,
is
no.
like Twilight Zone. It's so
Yeah,
Just go on,
yeah,
just go on.
Yeah. So what will happen now? I will give you some tranquilizers, and then
Tranquilizers. Okay. Yeah.
well, you will have a wonderful sleep and wake up
with this.
as yourself. Because
As my-
meanwhile, while you're asleep, I will crack your head open with a bottle and
Alright.
put some
All right.
make you look a different.
Yeah. Well,
I'm not
well,
sure.
I don't think that's a good idea.
No, I probably shouldn't have told you
No,
that.
No.
That's a bad idea of me to tell you that. If you
mean-
fall asleep, and then we'll, and then you can have a sweet dream,
Yeah.
and you'll have a sweet dream, and you will wake up as Nicky Maxime.
Great. Yes. Yes.